Hi, I'm Paul with EMT Solar and Walker Power. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to use Experian Boost to increase your credit score using actually my Experian account.
When you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family.
The reason that this works is Experian checks if you've made 3 monthly payments to one product or whatever, like Amazon or Netflix or your paper subscription, anything. Increase your credit score, it does it instantly. This is free and it's with Experian. It's with one of the actual credit companies. It's not some third party or anything. So whether you get financing solar or if you're leasing it, they still want you to have a decent credit score. Primary finance company always does a soft credit check. If you do not pass, they'll never do a hard credit check. And if you do not pass, we'll send you to our next step, which requires a lower score. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 908-377-1391. Again, that's Paul Walker. Thank you very much. Go to Experian. This is one of the 3 credit bureaus. Sign in or create an account. Creating an account just like anywhere else. Sign up for free. I already have an account. I'm going to sign in. It's going to ask you to upgrade your account. You do not have to do that. I'm going to hide all of my personal information, but this is how you do it. I'm also going to fast forward through most of the video because it's just waiting for stuff to happen. But to do one bank, it took 14 or 15 minutes because I have a lot of transactions there. Go up to credit. Go to Experian Boost. Okay. So my accounts are connected, but some of my bills need a little bit more time. For example, PC&G, just like you. They found one payment, so they need 2 more. So in 2 months, my score will increase. I'm going to connect another bank account to show you how that's done. Okay, all systems go. Your accounts are connected to Boost, so it's already showing that. And here, let me connect another account to show you how to do it. Enter in the name of the bank that you're using. And just follow the steps. Okay, your bank is either going to ask them to send you a text code or to verify security questions. That took a lot longer than just a second that I let you see. Okay, I fast forwarded through a lot of it, so it took a lot longer than the 1 second that you saw. And it's seeing if I want to connect all of these accounts. There are actually numbers here. Okay. This didn't find any qualifying bills, so I can connect other accounts, but basically this is not giving me a boost. The average boost is 13 points. The total amount of time that it took is about, so far since the beginning of the video, about 14 minutes. Understand it'll take a little while for all of this to go through. And that's it. Either you will or won't get a boost. Just make sure you act now before the price and the APR goes up. Hi, thanks for watching. If you hit the subscribe button below, it'll bring you good luck and more videos.
When you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family.